I'm drinking a Coca-Cola, that must mean it's Fun Day Sunday. This Fun Day Sunday, I haven't got much to show you, but I do have this to show you. We're going to do a quick little 5-minute video and out the door we go. Look what came in. Sanderson headers, they showed up for my Model A. Here's the turn downs right here. These are ceramic coated. You either get them plain or ceramic coated. I told them to ceramic coat them. If you are going to order headers for Sanderson, I got nothing but good things to say about them. I phoned them up. The headers that I had, the Lakester style headers I had for the Model A, they don't have them in stock. What they do is they build them per request, like as you order them. And they told me 4 weeks, and sure as shit, I think it was like 5 weeks, and they were here. So I'm super happy about that. I'll get out in the shop here and show you a picture of them. I also got my, couldn't find it. I don't know why. I've got so many of these around the shop and I can't find it, but my dry shaft yoke came in, so now I can actually measure up my dry shaft properly here. And I'm heading into town on Tuesday, so I can drop that off and get my dry shaft made for the old coupe. But we'll take a look at the headers. So yeah, I'm very happy with these headers from Sanderson. They're very good, high quality, nice and thick, very beautiful. They actually claim that you do not need a gasket. They're saying put a little RTV around there and you don't need a gasket, because I can't show you right now. I got them on. Next time I got them off. But they've actually built, like you see this, your flange here, they built the flange out to match each of the ports for the small block. So I still think I want to put a gasket on just in case. But there they are. So I put those on. Then what I did after that was I started fitting my pulley and my alternator and everything. Don't look at this shit, because that's got to be still cleaned up and painted, and well, not painted but chromed. Got to re-chrome this. I put the alternator on, got that all figured out. I put a belt on there to make sure everything was in line. I don't have much adjustment. I can show you here. Well, this is tight right now. So I had a belt on here. I found I had one belt, this one across here. Then I went to Lordco this morning and I got a belt that went right around. And I have there, you know, anyway, I got like, what do you think? Maybe an inch of adjustment. Like I said, I just took the belt off because I'm going to pull all this apart now. I'm not going to leave it on, obviously, because we go to do the paint work. You know, the headers are in the way there, right? So that's it. That's what she looks like. There, you get an idea. Very nice. I also got the tack in. There's my tack. Ordered that online. Bosch makes them. It's the same tack, actually. It's a reproduction tack, obviously. It's the same tack I got in my my 58 Ford. They come in a beautiful case. Not that the case is going to do anything. They give you the cup if you want to mount it to the dash, and they come in a nice square glass case like so. And where'd the part number go? Let's take a look here. I probably chucked it. But you can, there you go. Anyone interested, there you go. It says FST 8050 Bosch. So, yeah, good tack. I can't remember what it was. Under a couple hundred. Definitely over 150, but under 2. I know that. So I actually got this one off of Amazon. They were the quickest to deliver it. Someone was asking me about my turn signal indicator. Lineworks, that's where that came from. The light here would light up if you want to. I didn't do that. I used the lights that are actually in the gauge cluster. So I just eliminated that light. What else you got going on? I know, I'm not a billet guy, but you know, the way my transmission is, that's the style stick I got to use, but I'll keep it hidden. So I'm doing that. That's about it today. Took my fuel block off the firewall there. Got it hanging down. So this line's not going to be on here. That was the old line when I had a flathead. It was just part of this. I got to take it off. I was just kept it because I like the flow of it. So that's kind of what I want to copy, but obviously a bigger line coming off just like that and then go straight into my fuel block. So I had to get a fitting for my fuel block, so I can put that back in there now. But that's what's going on there. Finished off you know, finished off all the Dynamat on the floor everywhere. I think I showed you that in the last video. And that's about it. So I'm gonna crawl underneath this bad boy, get a measurement for the dry shaft, and get that made up, and then get some transmission fluid in her. Get that all taken care of, and it's close. It's real close. The thing is now is that right now we've got a few cars here that are close for painting, but we're not painting because it's so cold. I'm sure a lot of you are even colder weather than we are. We're just down to like anywhere between -3 and -8. But with the wind chill factor and all that, it feels like -12 to like probably 16, right? So, and it's just too cold to paint anything. You turn them fans on, it's sucking, you know, your exhaust fans, you turn them on, it's just sucking the air from outside right through the booth, right? The booth is heated, but as soon as you turn them fans on, whew, just drops right down to nothing. So try and paint something, yeah, the paint's gonna dry all right. It's not gonna dry, it's gonna be frozen and feel like it's dry. So so it's gonna be a while probably. This cold spell is gonna last a while longer, so it might be a while till I can get the old coupe painted up. But that's okay. Don't ever rush anything. I don't want to rush nothing. Just take my time. I'm not in a panic. Even if it was painted, what am I going to do with it? Send it for upholstery. Maybe you're out there, old-time upholstery, you're watching me. You make sure you keep my spot open, Ron. I tell you, I'm coming soon. I'm going to get her down there. I'm going to watch this weather. As soon as I see it's going to clear 1 week, I'm immediately just going to rush this car in for paint. And even if I got to run it over and get the interior upholstery done before I even get it running, I don't care. I just want to get this girl going. So it's all good. But yeah, that's about it. I don't think anything else came for the car that I'm aware of. Take a look in the office because that's where I put everything. No, I think that's it. We got a fuel pressure regulator out of Summit, obviously. God, I got so many of these Summit decals everywhere. Jesus. It's crazy. But that's all that came, yeah. Nothing else to show you. They come off with the caps also. They come with these. So if you're not going to be running exhaust, you're just going to be running your turn downs. You know, you can cap this off. So I'm going to be running exhaust on the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting a plate in between here with obviously a gasket and just cap these off because I don't want to listen to that sound all day long. Once in a blue moon, maybe I'll uncap them, be kind of cool, but for driving around, I don't want them open. Just too loud for me. So that's it, guys. Not much more here to show you or tell you. The parts are dwindling down here for the old coupe. It's all underneath there, not much left. That's it. So not too much of a Sunday fun day for you. Not really much to show you. No point showing you me laying underneath the car measuring a dry shaft. Hope you're all out there having a good time. Hope you're safe and you're warm wherever you are. It is Christmas. Christmas is near. So if you need a t-shirt, remember, go online, Old Time Garage. We got t-shirts, we got toques, keychains, all that kind of stuff. And hopefully you like this video and you tell your friends. And well, if you didn't like this video, I hope you don't have any friends. Okay, remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. See you later.